Hello everyone, and welcome. Are you tired of overpacking for your trips? You know, that feeling when your suitcase is bursting and you can barely lift it? We've all been there. Today, we're going to help you streamline your packing list with the 10 essentials you actually need. Imagine a journey where packing sparks joy and your suitcase feels light as a feather. Let's begin. First, and most importantly, your passport. This little booklet is your key to new experiences, holding the promise of exciting destinations. Make sure it's current and stored safely. When it comes to clothes, choose items that can be mixed and matched, like a classic white shirt or a comfortable pair of black pants. These versatile pieces will be the foundation of your travel wardrobe. Maintaining your hygiene is important even on the go. Pack a small toiletry bag with the essentials: toothbrush, toothpaste, and soap. Remember, many hotels provide these items. Chapter 4. Comfortable shoes are essential for exploring new places. Choose a pair that you can walk in for hours without discomfort. Your feet will thank you. Chapter 5. Even if you're traveling to a warm climate, it's wise to pack a lightweight jacket. Weather can be unpredictable and you don't want to be caught off guard. Chapter 6. In today's world, staying connected is important. Don't forget your phone charger. Capture those special travel moments and easily navigate new cities. Chapter 7. First aid kit safety. First, a small first aid kit can be a lifesaver, literally. Pack some bandages, pain relievers, and any personal medications you might need. It's always better to be prepared. Chapter 8. Travel insurance. Peace of mind. Travel insurance provides valuable peace of mind in case of unexpected events. Keep your documents organized and easily accessible. Chapter 9. Travel pillow. Sweet dreams wherever you go. Long flights or train rides can be tiring. A comfortable travel pillow can make all the difference, ensuring a restful journey. Chapter 10. Reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated responsibly. Staying hydrated is crucial when you travel. Pack a reusable water bottle to reduce waste and always have refreshment at hand. And there you have it. Stick to these 10 essentials and you'll never overpack again. Remember, packing with intention and choosing items that spark joy will make your travels even more enjoyable. Safe travels.